Got it for a deal of 675. The MRP printed on the pack is 3000. Made by Nidike and not Targus. Bought it from Cloudtail. Laptop backpack, great look, nice zipper, excellent quality. Has lots of pockets. Suitable for college as well as a professional guy. Strongly recommendable one, no doubt. Go for it. This is an amazing Lenovo laptop bag. I got it for 826 rupees. MRP is 3000 rupees. Using this bag from last 1 month. It has sunny pockets and those are really helpful. If you are using it to carry laptops, its side chain helps a lot. I use this bag every day and carry laptop with my lunchbox. Value for would not recommend this to frequent travelers as it can carry limited stuff along with laptop. Nice quality, value for money. Awesome bag in this price, very stylish and attractive. Awesome bag. Thanks Amazon. Awesome look and quality and secure for laptop. The best bag stuff in such economical cost. The bag is durable and easy to handle as well. Go for it without any doubt. If your budget is under 1K, then you can blindly go for this backpack for your laptop. Polyester material used in this bag is quite soft and good. Has lots of pockets and sub-pockets inside. Has a 1-year warranty. Size neither too big nor too small. I got it for 599 rupees and I don't regret my decision of choosing this bag over branded bags like Wildcraft, Sky Bags and even They Can't Pro. Worth the price, outstanding quality and build, spacious enough to carry laptop and 3 days clothes of an outing. Has no headphone slot, still has enough compartments to hold all your stuff. This backpack is selling at a steal. It is easily worth over 3K. Grab it before they run out of this offer. I bought one. The backpack is made of high-quality nylon, has 2 large pockets on the sides with zippers, there is a secret pocket on the back mesh, there are 2 large compartments plus the best part of this backpack is the laptop loading is from the right side making it cool and user-friendly. The inner lining has Targus mention which means the backpack must be made by Targus. The red accents are subtle yet stylish to flaunt your cool quotient. Go for it before they hike up the price again. Bag as described, but I was hoping for made by Targus but got something made by Nidike. Great buy. This laptop backpack is really good in quality and big enough to hold lots of things and is of standard backpack size, not small at all. As mentioned by many buyers and following are things which I liked in the bag. 1-2 front loading compartments, first to keep your personal small things with. Pen, USB pen drives and etc. Second compartment is big enough to keep your small laptops and can easily hold 14 inches and 13 inches laptops, tabs along with external USB portable drives and laptop chargers. I have 13 inches, 14 inches laptops and all were able to fit in properly in the second compartment. See the attached picture. 2 includes an individual side-loading laptop compartment with a Lenovo red accented zip, easy to slide in your 15.6 inches laptops. I have old 15.6 inches laptop and was able to slide in properly. See the attached picture. 2 zip pockets on both sides for storing small accessories and a security pocket at the back enhances safety while traveling. I have tried keeping 1 Milton Thermosteel Duo Deluxe 700 ml steel bottle, which was original price written on product tag as 3000 rupees. But getting at 699 is good buy. Also in Flipkart it is available at 1999. I would recommend to go for it, as in this price range what you are getting, I'm sure you will not regret. Best ever budget cum laptop traveling college bagging. Very happy to buy this bag. I purchased this bag in offer 599 rupees. The bag is of great quality and has too much space. Comfortable to carry and fits my 15.6-inch laptop easily. In fact, I carried two 15.6-inch laptops, one in the laptop sleeve compartment, another in the regular chain compartment, and it had a lot of space, then two to carry the charger and other laptop accessories. It is made for Lenovo laptops, but it has a branding of made by Targus inside, so no worries about reliability because Targus makes decent laptop bags. It also comes in with a 1-year worldwide warranty card, so we can claim the warranty if anything happens to the bag within that period. Highlights of features which I liked: strap belt and a mesh holder inside the small side compartment for carrying bottle, secret meshed compartment at the back. Good. Click link in description for more reviews.